南华中学学校咨询委员会主席梁庆金博士，南华中学校长洪宝女士，西区第一校群督导 Mrs. Rati Parimanan， 各位来宾、各位老师、各位家长、各位同学，大家下午好。首先让我热烈恭贺南华中学95周年校庆。我很高兴能够在这一天与大家一同庆祝。作为特选中学历史最悠久的南华中学，95周年校庆具有重大深远的意义。我也要在此恭喜所有得奖者，希望今天的鼓励与肯定能激发你们日后在各自的领域中继续让南华的精神发扬光大。早自新加坡1819年开埠以后，许多来自中国及南洋各地的华人来到此地营生，继而在此开枝散叶。华文教育便于此时在新加坡开始。1819年至今，学校的模式由私塾转变为新式学校，再由新式学校转化为特选中学，直至今天的自治、直通车学校等，可以说是经历了许多变化。在先贤孙中山、陈嘉庚、林文庆等积极提倡，以及华文媒体的大力宣传下，南洋地区华侨妇女的教育逐渐受到重视。为了响应这个倡议，先贤熊尚福先生于1917年6月14日创办了南华女校，也就是今天南华中学的前身。从最初只有100名学生，还曾经因为经费不足而暂时关闭，到今天备受肯定，享有自治中学和特选学校的身份，南华经历了不少变化。在这里，我想与大家顺带分享一个小故事。南华中学的前身南华女中是我的外婆曾经就读的一所学校，所以我是本校校友的外孙女。出生于柔佛边加兰的一个乡村，她受了新潮思想的影响，很渴望念书，希望能够成为独立自主的现代女性。不过她的父亲，也就是我的曾外祖父，还是坚持旧观念，不同意让家中的女孩子受太多的教育，导致父女之间起了不少冲突。最严重的一次，我的曾外祖父还把我的外婆吊在树上毒打了一顿。我的外婆个性比较坚强，并不死心，就找了一个机会跟家里说要到新加坡来看医生。结果看病的时候挂了账，把带出来的钱拿去买皮箱，买了皮箱上了火车，就偷跑到吉隆坡附近去上女中了。后来她终于得到了父亲的谅解，可以光明正大的回到新加坡上学。当时我的外婆已经是一个超龄生，而且英文也不好。可是南华女中当时的校长冯一梅女士很宽容地收了她。我的外婆在南华女中念到中2就打仗了，学校就暂时停办。虽然她在南华的时间很短，不过这是我外婆非常珍惜的一段求学经历，也深深地影响了她的一生。在后来的日子里，她对南华女中一直念念不忘。当年的学生求学很不容易，要克服旧观念、经济条件，甚至是战争等层层的障碍。如今的我们能够在和平、舒适、相对富足、先进的环境中上学，希望同学们惜福。学校现有的成就，基于95年来不懈的努力，是创校先贤前人们所种下的树，惠及今日我们后人而得以乘凉。正因为得来不容易，所以才要时时自我警惕、自我挑战、自我超越，才可以力争上游，并薪火相传。这也显现了95周年校庆主题“继往开来，百年树人”的贴切。同样的，在面临大环境的改变时，特选中学不仅必须要能够因时制宜，也要懂得坚持的重要性。在因时制宜方面， 学校必须能够制定出一套有利于新一代同学们发展的课程，以迎接未来的挑战。我很高兴从校长的报告中知道南华中学从双语转向双文化的新发展，致力于为社会培养一批具有21世纪技能、学贯中西的双文化人才。而在传统信念方面，坚持则显得更重要与必然，但也同时需要极大的耐心与毅力，才能够在这条漫长的道路上继续向前。南华中学在舞蹈方面有着悠久的历史文化传统。从1966年第1届国庆日检阅礼上350名南华学生呈现的舞蹈表演，到2010年157名南华学生在青奥会开幕仪式上的演出，看到了南华多年以来持续在这方面的努力与成就。南华在表演艺术项目，尤其是舞蹈方面的专长都备受认可。在这里也要非常感谢各位同学们刚才非常精彩的表演，谢谢各位同学。接下来我将以英语加以补充。SAP schools were first established in 1979 to preserve the best traditions and ethos of the Chinese medium schools and to nurture a core group of students strong in both English and Chinese. Over the years, greater support from the MOE has been given to strengthen the SAP school ethos. Some of these include supporting each SAP school in developing its unique SAP flagship program, which enriches the learning of Chinese language and traditional values, the introduction of the Bicultural Studies program Chinese, as well as piloting the Traditional Chinese Values Resource Package. SAP schools carry with them the ethos of the early Chinese medium schools, as well as the educational beliefs of their founding forefathers. They are therefore well positioned to provide students with a unique teaching and learning environment that inculcates desired values and provides holistic education. Values form the foundation of a person's character. The well-known saying by Confucius, 修身齐家治国平天下, highlights the importance of cultivating one's own values first before one can make a difference in other contexts. Values shape a person's beliefs, attitudes, and actions. They guide students in making good decisions and demonstrating positive behavior and attitudes. While schools provide a supportive environment for the learning of values by, for example, reinforcing the values taught in character and citizenship education lessons and through learning experiences provided on platforms such as co-curricular activities and values in action, they cannot accomplish the goal of values education alone. Parents play an important role in molding the character of their children. Schools and parents must work together to educate our youths. Nanhua High has provided an excellent example of constructive home-school collaboration with the development of the Values Education Portal. The Values Education Portal illustrates how schools can leverage the strong partnership they have with their parent support groups, or PSGs. The PSG has played a vital role in discussions with teachers on the portal resources, piloting the use of the resources and promoting the portal to other parents. To ensure the portal remains relevant, PSG representatives and students will be invited to participate in focus group discussions to provide feedback on the resources and approaches. I am very pleased to launch the Values Education Portal and congratulate Nanhua High and the PSG for their excellent work. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate all prize winners on the occasion of the school's 95th Speech and Prize Giving Day. You deserve the accolade, having worked hard to do your best. I'm certain that the Nanhua experience has given you a strong foundation for your continual pursuit of excellence, and I hope that the school values will continue to anchor your beliefs and actions as you serve the community and nation. Thank you.